Let us see a very interesting program. I am sure this program will clear the ideas about local variable and global variable. Here I have declared a variable k at three different places. This variable k is global variable. I have initialized it by value 10. The second variable k is here. This one is a local variable to the function main. Initialize this one by the value 20. Now there is third variable k inside the block, and we have initialized this variable by the value 30. Is it clear? Now there are three printf statements, printf library functions. One is over here, which is inside the function main but outside the block. The second printf function is inside the function main but inside the block. And there is one more printf statement which is inside the function magic. Okay, let us execute the program to see the output. Let us execute the first printf library function. Can you guess what is the output? The possibility is 10 or 20. Let us see the dot screen. It is 20. Why it is so? Here k is a global variable, but we have declared another variable, namely k, same name, and we have initialized it by 20. And remember that precedence of local variable is higher than global variable, and that is why this printf library function has displayed the value 20. Clear? Now let us see the second interesting point. Execute this step, and now execute this second printf library function. Here this k is local to this block, and that is why, and one more point, printf is inside this block, and that is why printf statement will display k is equal to 30. Just see the DOS prompt. Yes, k is equal to 30. Understood this point? Next one. Now call the function magic. Inside this magic there is a one printf statement. Now display the content of k. What you will get? We can guess it, because here k is equal to 20. This is local to the function main. K is equal to 30. This is again inside the function main. That is why it is local to this block, and that is why this 2k, this one as well as this one, it is not visible to the function magic. So remaining one is global. So k is equal to 10 is visible from the function magic because it is a global variable, and hence this printf function will display the value 10. Is it clear? Thank you.